up against your children. The enemy came up against your name. The enemy came up against your character. You will win. You will win. The enemy came up against your health. Your finances. The enemy came up against your vision. The enemy came up against your business. You will win. Yes, you will. said everything attached to you wins. Can you point to your neighbor and tell them everything attached to you? It's your winning season. It's your winning season. It's your winning season. It's your winning season. If God got to carry you, it's your winning season. If God got to carry you, it's your winning season. That's what He's going to do tonight. Because you can't afford to lose again. You can't afford to lose again. Oh, it's your winning season. Everything attached to me will. Everything attached to me will. This is what I need you to do. Because I realize that you can't say you are a winner but look defeated. I need you to get up out of your seat and high five 10 people across this room. Don't just stay at your room, tell them across the room that you will win.